In a small seaside town known for its sunny skies and gentle waves, there lived an old fisherman named Theo. He was a man of few words but always wore a smile, famous not just for his fishing skills but for his ability to turn every mishap into a reason for laughter. One day, a young boy named Max, known for his serious demeanor and constant worries, approached Theo with a heavy heart.
Theo,
He sighed.
every time I try to do something right, it just turns out wrong. How do you always stay so cheerful?
Theo thought for a moment, then proposed a little challenge.
Meet me at the pier early tomorrow morning with a fishing rod, and let's see what the sea teaches us.
He said. The next morning, Max joined Theo, his face lined with concern. They cast their lines, and almost immediately, Theo caught a big, lively fish. Max, however, struggled with his line tangling and losing bait. Yet, Theo laughed heartily at each of Max's setbacks. Frustrated, Max asked,
How can you laugh when things go wrong?
Theo smiled and reeled in another fish.
You see, Max, fishing is a lot like life. Sometimes, no matter how well you prepare, things just don't go your way. It's easy to get caught up in what's going wrong. But if you can laugh at the tangles and lost bait, you'll find that even a bad day fishing can bring joy.
Max watched as Theo effortlessly and with laughter untangled a particularly stubborn line. Inspired, he tried again, this time focusing more on the experience than on catching fish. By the end of the day, Max hadn't caught much, but he had learned to find humor and a sense of achievement in his mishaps. From that day on, Max approached his challenges with a lighter heart, understanding that it's not about avoiding mistakes, but embracing them with a smile, and finding humor and achievement in them, just as Theo did. This new attitude not only changed his view on fishing, but also his perspective on life. Thanks for your watching. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. See you in next video. Bye.